right, everyone, as we take a look at what we were last night when we last spoke at 10 o'clock to today, the road crews got out, cleaned out the interstate. That sun potent, and it's melting off the deep layer of snow and ice here on I-94 in South Fargo. Look at the ice on our camera lens. Now you're looking at I-29. This is at the Dakota Magic Casino. A lot less snow down there in the Southern Valley, but you got a lot of rain and some freezing rain beforehand. Likewise, the sun going to work on the snow. Reports of around 2 inches there. In and around the FM area, anywhere from 5.5 inches all the way up to around 9 inches reported in and around our area, with over 10 in Grand Forks. What a storm system. The good news is things are much quieter now. Here's a look at temperatures. 19 Roseau County, western portions particularly super duper hard hit there with over a foot of snow in numerous locations. Roseau got a little less than that. And as we look off to Grand Forks, nearly 10 inches to 11 inches of snow in your area, and 19 in Valley City, 5 inches reported for you, 24 in Sisseton, where there was 2 inches of snow. Here's a look then at the feels like temperatures. A little bit of a breeze making it feel chilly out there, but at least it's not blowing, snowing, raining, sleeting, or any of that nonsense. That's all shifted off to Duluth Superior. We are high and dry here in the valley, and that heavy precipitation continues through the areas just off to the east of the Twin Cities. Right now, out at Hector, your temperature 21 degrees in Fargo. Wind is only 9 miles per hour, but it feels like 11. And I got to tell you, this is some heavy, wet, nonsense snow. It stuffs up your snowblower. It's hard on your back, so do take some care as you're cleaning it off, and pace yourself. Hutch has more work to do when he gets home as well. Northwest winds tonight. Temperatures at your hometown will be dropping, and most of the drop will happen where we got some deep snow up here, and there's a cold pool of air that'll be kind of moving in as well. As we go through the overnight hours, I think most areas will stay above zero. And actually, as we head into the midday hours, after starting out from 0 to 10 degrees, closer to 0 north and 10 degrees down south, we'll see temperatures rising on the lunch hour to around 20 degrees for your Saturday. And then as we head into the rest of your weekend, it definitely looks like we'll start to see an increase in southerly winds. That's warmer weather as we will close out the weekend with temperatures that will be a little bit more manageable and help us get rid of some of this snow. Now, obviously, your forecast for tomorrow afternoon is going to be warmer down to the south where we got a lot less snow. There's still some bare earth down there. As a matter of fact, temperatures in the 40s possible in much of the Stutsman County area, Lemoore and Dickey counties out down towards Aberdeen. Where we have new fresh fallen snow to melt, we'll be in the 30s, but that sun will go to work and it'll do a job as we go through the day tomorrow. Thanks, Doug, for sending us your photo here. Badger, 13 inches with the Carlstadt area near you. 16 inches of snow. Here's a look at your planning forecast Sunday. It does get better for Palm Sunday. We cannot rule out some sprinkles in the latter part of the day, and the unsettled weather does continue into the start of your work week with a morning mix, because temperatures in the morning could be near freezing, so we could see some areas with some snow. Unsettled into Tuesday, and then we cool off a little bit after that. With temperatures like this through the weekend, our rivers here in the Southern Valley have been decreasing in their amounts, and we expect that trend to actually change as we go into next week. So we're dropping down through the moderate flood stage, the Red River at Fargo, but after Tuesday of next week, it'll start to come up to a second crest. Andrea, my concern is more for the central Red River Valley and the northern Red River Valley, because we got a lot less moisture from this system than our neighbors to the north, and they still had snow on the ground to melt from the entirety of our winter. So we'll keep you posted on that. There will be areas in rural communities that have to struggle with flooding.
All right, thanks, Hutch.